Guys, today's video is going to be how you can turn a simple file into an awesome little knife. I'm going to show you how. Step one, this is your file. You got to anneal it because right now it's hard. So here's a little trick to anneal it. Stick it in some ashes, some lime, vermiculite, or you can just put it into forge, but I just do that. Okay, now that we got it all nice and warm, we're going to start the forging process. We'll start with the tip. Got our nice hot piece of metal here. Always work your metal while it's hot. Once you lose the heat, put it back. First heat. So I figure we'll make it about just a small knife. Go about here. I'll set the first, and then we'll come in. We'll do our bevels and we'll cut our handle. Now we're going to come in and start our little bevel here. From here, we'll work that heel out nice. Now we got to get nice and warm. Got our nice taper. Now we're going to come in, cut it off with a hot cut. Okay, let's cut it off. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to let it anneal and anneal right in here. Sit in there for a couple hours and be nice and soft, and then we'll go to step two. There's a little nice, all annealed. Next, grinder. for the quench. Non-magnetic, we'll go a little bit more. Check it for hardness. Good. Now we'll put her in the tempering. You could, if you had to, you could temper it just with the forge. You can do this till you get the right color, or you can heat up a big block like a big piece of steel and just set it on top, but we're going to use the oven. Okay, so this is going to be our scales. Piece of deer bone, deer horn. Just going to line it up where we want it. Make sure it sort of fits in our tang. We're going to mark it. And then we're going to drill it. We're going to drill it, and then we're going to drill this side through this way after. Okay, we're just going to mix up some epoxy here. All clamped up. Now we let it dry. Then we grind the handle. Okay, it's all dried up. We'll put it on the belt and see how it's going to look. Looks funny now, but give me 2 seconds. We'll buff out the handle on the bucket wheel. We should be just about done. Okay, here we have it. Nice little deer deer antler with an old file. Nice in the hand. It's good. And you know it's going to be sharp. From the heel right to the very end. You can see the still see the rasp parts. The rasp parts, and it's an old bone. It took in the black color. I think it looks pretty good. Doesn't focus very good, but turned out nice. We'll make a sheath in an upcoming video. Show you how I make them. So if you guys like this kind of content, like and subscribe. Take care.